How to study? Whenever we think about study, the first word works in our mind that memory. For memory, we use our brain. There are two types of memory: sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. In study, LTM or long-term memory are best memory, but human can achieve LTM so easily. For achieve LTM, we have to follow some rules. The most popular rule is practice, practice, and practice. There are no learning without remembering. It says by Socrates. That means we have to practice everything what we want in our long-term memory. If we can't achieve our study as LTM, then we're going to forget our memory. Seems like we didn't study at all. So do not waste your time and start keep memorizing or practice which topic you want to remember from your long-term memory. Albert Einstein said, "I have no special talent. I'm only passionately curious." So we have to believe ourselves and keep going on. Not only listen, but also take action. Trust on Almighty Allah and do practice and more practice. Inshallah, you are going to find yourself soon in your goal. But keep it in mind, you have to take seriously your study. Hey guys, further from No Different Than Anyone Else. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, comment down below, and of course share with your friends. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.